Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to find low ping servers in Roblox. Now, a quick one before you do anything, come to the Chrome Web Store, go ahead and search for this extension, which is called the RT Roblox, making Roblox better. So go ahead and add this extension to your Chrome. Just click on Add Extension. So once the extension is being downloaded, go back to your Roblox. You can see the extension has been added. So I just come and click here on the extension itself and open it. So once you open the extension, you can see over here that it has a variety of options. Now scroll down to the last option and click on advanced over here. Once you click on advanced, come and select over here this option which says game details and server regions. Click on this drop down arrow. After that, choose this one which says ping. Now after selecting ping, go ahead and close this. Now after that, go ahead and select any game of your choice. For example, this one here. And then before we play the game, you can scroll down and see the ping lists. Okay. So over here, just go ahead and scroll down. You can see. And you can see over here, this one has 68 ms as its ping. So you can choose the one with the low ping. For this case, this one has 53 ms. And I think this is the one with the low pings. And obviously, you can choose join if you want. So basically, that is the procedure, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet.